In this video, I'm going to show you how to add SL and TP in MetaTrader 5. Now, if you're trying to add a stop loss and take profit, it's super simple. First, you want to open up the asset you want to trade, and then you want to open up the order window. Now, over here, I'm just going to open it via this button up top, but of course, you can use any of the other methods. I do have a separate video covering how to place orders, so there I'm going to show you everything you have to know regarding orders. Now, when you open up the order window here, you want to select the type of your order you want to do, and all of them are going to have a stop loss or SL and take profit or TP option over here. So this one has it over here, this one has it down here, and same for these two as well. Then what you have to do is just select the volume, and you can add a stop loss and take profit, and then you can go ahead and basically buy or sell, and you're good to go. That's how to add a stop loss and take profit in MT5. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.